Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. This video shows how to make no-bake dalgona chocolate pastry. Dalgona cream is made of instant coffee powder. Here I am taking 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder, Nescafe or brew, anything you can take. To this I am adding 3 tablespoons of sugar, or you can take equal amount of sugar and coffee powder. To this I am adding hot water 3 tablespoons. Now you can mix it using this hand whisker or 2 forks facing each other. But this will take a long time, so I have taken electric beater. So whisk it until it is fluffy and thick. The whole process of whisking will take up to 15 minutes. Now the cream is becoming paler and thicker. Our dalgona cream is ready. We'll keep it aside and take 4 pieces of bread. Cut the sides of bread like this, all 4 sides. You can take sweetened bread, that will taste good. Cut all the sides and keep it aside. Now we'll make chocolate ganache, or you can call it chocolate syrup. I have just taken some milk chocolates, Hershey's milk chocolate as well as dairy milk chocolate. We'll add 1 tablespoon of hot milk and then make it a thick syrup. To make this, you can make double boiler. It will be very helpful and easy. Now we'll keep this aside and take bread pieces like this, 2 bread pieces. To this we'll brush some cold sweetened milk. You can add vanilla essence to the milk if you want. After which we are going to put chocolate syrup which we have prepared. Just put it and then spread it using spatula. Spread it evenly. Alternatively, you can use dark chocolates also, but dark chocolates will not go very good with dalgona cream, so better go with milk chocolates. Now we'll put dalgona cream generously. Dalgona cream with Nescafe always tastes good compared to other brands. Spread it evenly with the help of spatula like this. Spread some Tutti-frutti. I have used only red color. If you want, you can use different colors of Tutti-frutti. Upon this, we'll keep another layer of bread like this, 2 pieces of bread. And again, brush some cold sweetened milk. Instead of this, you can put plain sugar syrup. So again we'll make a layer of chocolate ganache. Spread it evenly like this. Finally, we'll cover the pastry with dalgona cream. Put generous amount of dalgona cream and then spread it evenly to give a proper shape to the pastry. So I'm spreading it evenly like this. Cover even the sides properly. Now you can wipe the plate with tissue paper so that it looks clean and neat. And again we'll decorate the pastry with dalgona cream like this. And finally decorate it with tutti frutti or choco chips. So friends, give it a try and let me know how it was in the comment section. Hope you have liked the video. If you have really liked the video, please hit like, do share with your friends, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And then we'll meet with a new tasty recipe. Until then, please take care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.